The dumbbell deadlift is a compound strength exercise that primarily targets the muscles in your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. It is similar to the traditional barbell deadlift, but uses dumbbells instead of a barbell. The dumbbell deadlift is a versatile exercise that can be incorporated into a full body workout or lower body strength routine. It helps develop functional strength and can be beneficial for athletes, powerlifters, and anyone looking to improve their overall fitness. How to do? Here's how to perform a dumbbell deadlift. Set up. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place a dumbbell on each side of your feet. The dumbbell should be positioned parallel to your feet, so the handles are perpendicular to your body. Stance. Bend at your hips and knees to lower yourself down. Keep your back straight, chest up, and shoulders back. Hold onto the dumbbells with a firm grip, palms facing your body. Your hands should be just outside your knees. Lift. Push through your heels and lift the dumbbells by straightening your hips and knees. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Do not round your back. Keep the dumbbells close to your body as you lift them. Stand fully upright with your chest out and shoulders back. Lower. Reverse the movement by pushing your hips back first, then bending your knees to lower the dumbbells back to the ground. Keep the dumbbells close to your body and maintain good form. Repetition. Repeat the lift for the desired number of repetitions. Exhale as you lift the dumbbells and inhale as you lower them. Tips. Start with a light weight to practice proper form, and gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable and stronger. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine throughout the exercise. Keep your head in a neutral position, looking forward or slightly upward. Avoid jerky or fast movements. Focus on controlled and smooth lifting and lowering. If you have any pre-existing back or lower body issues, consult a fitness professional or medical expert before attempting this exercise.